Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I am tell about how to make the document in MS Excel file, how to make document edit, and how to make using formula in a MS Excel. Now we have the random document, like we have enter the random data. Now we have to enter the average salary and total salary with using the formulas. And now we have firstly added this document. Now firstly we have to edit this. Now firstly we have to select all, and now we have to click here to bold the text. Now this is here, see, this is the text are bold. Now we are using the alignment to give the format. Like firstly we have to use select all. Now we have to use format alignment option, like this option, to give the perfect format. Now we have to click on this. Now see, this is R in perfect format, also using this. Now we have to are using this for perfect format. Now we have give more difference on this row and column. Now click on 2 times. Now we have to make more difference like this. Now we have the random data of the company, like we have the random client which are using to create data. Now we have firstly find the average salary of the clients. Now firstly we have using here to click on this cell. Now firstly we have to use equal to option. Now again we have to use average salary formula. Now we have to use AV. Now like see this. Now this is click 2 times. Now this is average salary formula. Now firstly we have to click on RAM salary and use the comma, and again select RAM salary and drag lower side. Now we have to use comma. Now we have to use bracket and enter like this. We have a average salary. Now there are two options to using again formula and give the make the RAM salary. And now we have the short formulas. Now we have to click on this. Now we have to drag lower side, and now we have the other option, other client salary. Now we have the other client salary. Now we have other option, like we have a total salary, like we have the sum of salary and average salary. Now we have click here to using sum formula. We have firstly to click equal to button, and now we have to use sum. Click here. Now we have to select this cell, use plus option. Now we have to select this cell. Now we have to use bracket. Now we have enter. Like this is a sum of RAM, average salary and total average salary and giving salary. Now this is a total salary of RAM, and now we have to find other client salary. Like previous option, like we have to drag lower side and click here. Now we have the other client salary. We have the salary of the other client in total salary, like we have to using the sum formula and make the sum of the total salary, average salary and giving salary. Now we have added this document. Now firstly we have to select use and make them in perfect alignment. Again use alignment and click on this option. This are in perfect alignment. Now we have to giving the color of in this. Now we have to select this rows, and now we have to click here and give the color. Now we have yellow color, like see this. Now we have to use this option, and now we have to click on this option. Firstly we have to enter edit this cell. Now we have to select this cell and give them color. Like we have given color in text, we have give the red color. And now we have a first name. Now we have edit this row to select this row and give them color out. Now we have like this. Now we have other option. Now firstly we have to select this and give color, like we have give clean color. Now we will select all with the same color. Now we are giving in violet purple color, like this. Now this is a basic formatting of the text and basic for editing of the document. Now firstly we have to select all document and increase the size using this key. Now we have used increase the size of using 14. Now we have this option, like we have firstly select data and give the font like this. We have more and more font in default by the MS Excel file, MS Excel document. Now we have to select this. Now like this we have more editable document are you seen in the MS in the file. Now we have to back them. Now we have two option to give them back. Now using the key of Ctrl plus Z to give back, like see. Now we have to again using same format. Now again to give them back, now we have to use undo and redo but keys. Now we have a short form undo redo. Now we have to undo like Control plus Z and redo Control plus Y, like this. We have to use Control plus Y to make them again. And now we have to say Control plus Z redo button. Now we have to make it simple. Now we have other option, like in this option, like we have a sheet option. We have to make more sheet to add on this button. Now we have more sheet in the file. We have the more and more sheet which are using to create any kind of document, any kind of data to make it. And now we have back on my document. Now this side we have option of zoom in and zoom out, which are tell in previous video. And now we have option to make the document zoom in and zoom out. Now we have simplify the other key buttons, like we are using how to create more effective data in my file, in any kind of file. Now how to insert any kind of rows and any kind of column. And now we have page layout option. Now giving the theme and color font effect of the document, and give the margin, orientation, sign and print area. Now we have other option of formula option, like we have using any kind of formula who are make them perfect document. And using this type, and we are talk about in previous video. And in today video we only tell about the how to make edit and perfect clearly have the perfect data. Now we have a V button. Now we have to create any kind of data. And this is all about today video. In next video we will tell about how to make inserted image, how to make any data which are using to insert a picture, online picture. And we can recommend it using chart format. We can recommend any chart format. And now we have to use spark lines and filters, links, hyperlinks, and text box, header and foot tags, equation and symbols. Now we have the many other options, like we have to enter any kind of data from essays, from web, from text, from each other sources, and any kind of data which are editable and more clarifying for the company and any kind of job which are using. And this is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching for video. We will meet in another video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye, take care.